What's up guys, I'm here with another tech tip video. So what are the requirements for YouTube Shorts videos and how to optimize a video for it? Let's get into it in 4 simple steps. First, choose the right aspect ratio. When you're optimizing a video for YouTube Shorts, you should use a vertical or square aspect ratio to make sure YouTube automatically categorizes your video as a short. Make sure you stick with a 9:16 or 1:1 aspect ratio. However, 9:16 is the perfect aspect ratio for smartphones. But if you want to go for a square ratio, you could put some graphics on the empty bars to take the full advantage of it. Second, trim the length of your videos. Just like TikTok, YouTube Shorts has a short length restriction for videos. When optimizing your video, be sure to trim your video down to 60 seconds or less in length. To play safe, you could trim your video down to 58 or 57 seconds. Third, add this hashtag. In the title or description for your YouTube Shorts videos, include the hashtag shorts. This step seems like it may be optional, but YouTube has recommended it. So the safest way to make sure your video is fully optimized is by using this hashtag. And before we get into the 4th step, be sure to subscribe for more tech tip videos like this. In the final 4th step, let's talk about the thumbnail. One issue that you'll run into with YouTube Shorts is that once you uploaded your video, your uploaded thumbnail doesn't appear, and instead YouTube just select a frame from a random point in your video. However, you can add a thumbnail, but it'll be just shown on the desktop version of YouTube. Now, how do you know if YouTube has recognized your video as a YouTube Shorts? Very simple. Just open YouTube in your smartphone and scroll down to the short shelf as you see in the video. But if you still can't see YouTube short shelf, just go to YouTube Studio on the website, click on the customization, then on the featured section, click add section and choose short videos on the menu. Although if you hover your mouse over here, you see that it says this section is only visible in YouTube app, but they are still visible as a normal YouTube video in your channel page. So guys, if you follow these steps, YouTube is most likely to add your video in the shorts shelf. I should also mention that many YouTubers reported their short video takes some time before YouTube began promoting it in the short shelf. So be patient if you don't see result right away. When YouTube does start promoting your video as a short, you'll be able to see shorts as a new traffic source under your YouTube analytics in both YouTube Studio app for mobile and websites. The rest of the process is the same like a normal YouTube video upload. Remember, one of the most important way to get more views is to choose a very good optimized title for your video, something that I will share with you in the next video. So that's it guys, hope it can help you. Subscribe for more tech tip video like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.